Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in this video I will provide you the event code in Xenia wallet. So first of all click on missions button. Now click on Spur protocol option. Scroll down and you will see event mission. If you enter a valid event code you will get 2000 gems. Click on event. Now click on enter code. Here you apply a event code and I will provide you the correct event code. Event code is XENE, then capital SPUR, Xeni Spur, capital COLLABO. The correct event code is Xeni Spur Collabo. Click on next button. Here you see I got 2000 gems as a correct event code applied. Hopefully you enjoying the video. Kindly like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.